Hi, I'm Rachel, and I am a dedicated foodie. When I moved out of the city for a new job, I really missed my favorite international grocery stores and restaurants. Naturally, I tried creating my favorite dishes at home. But soon, I got so frustrated. After spending an hour researching Thai recipes, I realized that the nearest Thai grocery was 30 miles away. When I tried to buy ingredients online, I had to buy in bulk and pay high shipping costs. Plus, most of the labels were in a foreign language. I tried desperately to find a solution. Meal kits take forever, and you have to cook ASAP. Spice kits require a trip to the grocery store. Takeout always costs more than you expect. So, I created Takeout Kit to make global cooking more convenient. Takeout kits range from mapo tofu to Thai crab curry. Takeout kits are completely shelf-stable, so you don't need to worry about them expiring. They also include all ingredients to make a complete meal. No need for grocery shopping. My mission is to inspire you to cook as though you have traveled the world.